Hello and welcome to Urban Actual, which is a channel that does reviews on anything and everything. Whatever I get my hands on is what I review. I've got a very cool review and it's called the Dolphin E20. What is the Dolphin E20? It is a pool cleaner and it cleans your pool, but it doesn't use the pump system. It's electrical and it's like a robot. You drop in your pool, traverses around the pool and cleans your pool. Stick around to the end of the video so that I can show you what my conclusion is and also what I think of it as a rating out of 10. You'll be pleasantly surprised by this product. I was as well. It saved me because I had a whole lot of silt at the bottom of my pool because I had to put river water in there because we had water restrictions. And this device or unit managed to sort that problem out, and I was able to get my pool back to normal again without using too much water. This product is a pool cleaning product, and the E20, as you can see, is quite a new product. Basically, the Dolphin, what it does is it cleans your pool for you. So you don't have to have a pump. I bought it in Cape Town, and the unit is in the pool at the moment. But in the box, what we got was a couple of extra filters. And these filters are basically filters which plug into the side of the unit. So I will show you the unit a bit later. Here's another filter which it comes with, a spare filter that comes in the box. So that's another one. Not much to talk about here. They do have other filters which are in the unit already. Comes with a little quick start guide, and that guide is basically the basic instructions. Shows you how to install it, how the electrical box works, and all those goodies. So that's tells you about the filter cleaning setup, how to pop it into the pool, and how to clean the actual little unit, which is called the impeller. And that tells you more about the electronic unit which it comes with. So this basically has 3 programs, LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, and that controller box or unit is basically a power supply with some sort of chip in it to regulate the amount of time. So if you do it on LED 1, the robot will automatically work every day for a full cycle, 7 times a week. LED 2 is 3 times a week, and the other one is 2 times a week. So I think it runs 2 hours or something, and then it switches off, or 3 hours, and then I obviously just put it back on because I want it to run longer. Comes with this warranty stuff. I think it's a 24-month limited warranty from the Matronics company, and some padding to keep everything together in the box. So that's the box. Okay folks, so here is the controller unit that I spoke about. This unit is basically an electrical unit. It's a power supply, and you can see that it has the Matronics logo on it, and it has a couple of different programs here. So this is a very simple unit. It plugs into the mains with this little cord here, and then this cord which screws into the side, sort of a safety screw-in mechanism, that goes with that cord all the way into the pool. So this is connected to the unit. Then you got programs 1, 2, and 3. You can just press the select button once it's on, and by pressing that select button, once you've selected it, then if you leave it for a little while, like 4 seconds or 5 seconds, then it will basically start the whole process. So you leave it there, and then that's fine. If you want to select 2, you just press select. If you want to select 3, you press select again. And that's all you have to do here. So it's a very simple unit. It doesn't get too hot. I think it is quite weather resistant, but I keep mine out of the weather, so safer that way. And yeah, the unit is in action. Moves quite fast around the pool. It'll climb up the wall now, and as you can see, it pushes out a whole lot of air and bubbles, pushing the water up, and that creates a circulation in the pool. So the pool is always moving, the water is always moving, and there we go, picks up a whole lot of debris, bottom of the pool, as one would expect. That's just a little demonstration of how it moves around. As you can see, the cord is long enough. This is a 3 by 5 meter pool, and it's a pool that is made from gunite as far as I know. It isn't a pool that is made from fiberglass or plastic. So it'll traverse along the pool like this for 2 or 3 hours. It'll change directions from time to time, and there it's popping a little bit of a wheelie. I think it's a bit confused there, but it falls flat again. And here it comes again, and at the moment it is making its way around the pool. Sometimes it climbs right up to the side of the pool. There it's pushing out some more water. Basically what's happening is it's pushing water through the filter system so that it can clear the water of any fine micro bacteria and so on. Here it climbs up to the edge of the pool, but not all the way up, but a very useful unit nevertheless. And as you can see, it really does move the water, so it's not that bad. I would still have a pump system, because the pump system has a very good filter system, better than this machine. One thing that I really do like about this machine is it has the ability to clean very, very bad algae or silt off the bottom of your pool, which you might have difficulty getting out. And that is one of the advantages of this machine. Look at this cord now, it looks like it's twisting up, but it isn't. There we go. At the moment I'm going to remove it from the pool. It's pretty easy, you just pull up on the cord gently against the edge. You just grab the machine, the water go out of it. Okay, so basically I've opened the machine up. You can see there's some little bits in here in this little microfilter system, but it's really where the water pushes out. Sometimes you really have to get in there and try and clean it out, but you can actually undo this whole thing and the leaves go in over here. So basket thing pops up, handle, you can pull it out like that, and as you can see it has started collecting some of the leaves and so on. Now the two side filters can only be taken out if you unscrew the whole mechanism, but the actual the long filters are removable. See, there's a clip here which you can take out. You can wash this filter and then you can just pop it back in again. Pops in the bottom, and then you clip it closed like that. And the other one does the same on the other side. So there you go. Put that in, put the handle down, pop that on, and then it's ready to go back into the pool. What do I think about this product? I give it about a 7 out of 10. The cord seems to get wound up quite a lot, so it doesn't have a spinning cord. In other words, it's not a free cord. And the electrical cable tends to get quite wound up after about 4 hours of use, or even 6 hours of use. What I do is I just disconnect it, unwind the tension, and reconnect it. I would think after about a week of use of 2 hours a day, you would definitely have to do that. Also, the cleaning of the filter system, it's relatively simple, but it can be tedious. Whereas a normal pump system, you just put it on and off, you clean the basket, which is quite easy. So the filter system needs to be taken out, rinsed, and then put back in before you can use it again. You can use it dirty, but it won't be as effective. For the build quality, I would say the product is relatively good, seems quite robust. Plastic, obviously, because it needs to be light. And the rubber is quite good too, that's on the wheels. All parts are replaceable as far as I know from the manufacturer. Obviously, when this becomes obsolete, you won't be able to get anything from the factory. But for now, it's quite a modern product and a recent product. I think it's been on the market for about 2 years. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. Cheers.